Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system. Close background apps to free CPU and RAM because priority changes matter only when resources are available. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, then locate your game's process under Details. This is the handle you will change. Make sure you run Windows as administrator if settings are blocked. Elevated rights let you persist changes and access priority controls. Once done, pause and verify the correct process name, since changing the wrong one risks system stability and wasted effort. Next, set priority and, if needed, CPU affinity. Right-click the process and choose Set Priority. Select High for most games. Real-time can starve system processes, so use it only if you understand the risk. Then choose Set Affinity to assign cores. This reduces thread contention and can improve frame pacing on multi-core CPUs. Once done, monitor performance. If stuttering appears, revert affinity or priority. Make sure to test in a short play session to confirm gains versus side effects. Finally, make changes persistent and handle common failures. Use Task Scheduler or a startup script to reapply priority when the game launches, because Task Manager changes are temporary. If settings reset, check if the game launcher runs with different privileges or if antivirus reassigns priorities. Run both with matching elevation to avoid conflicts. If instability or input lag occurs, revert to default and compare recorded metrics. This quick rollback approach protects system stability while you refine the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.